Hey there, fellow campers. I'm Jen Grover, and today we're diving into the world of RV tech with a review of the Furrion Vision S 3-camera system. Buckle up, because I've got a few surprises up my sleeve and you won't want to miss a single moment. Stay tuned. First things first, let's talk about installation. The nuCamp Service Center rolled up their sleeves and expertly installed the system into my Tab 320. Why? Because they knew I'd put it through its paces and give them honest feedback about the installation. Kudos to them for a job well done. Next, the 7-inch monitor. Picture this, a crisp 7-inch monitor right there on your dashboard. It's like having your own cinematic experience while towing your camper. And guess what? It's powered by a trusty 12-volt cigarette-style adapter. No hassle, no fuss. 3 cameras allow you to triple the fun. Let's count them. 1 in the rear, the classic backup camera, and 1 on each side marker light. These cameras are your extra set of eyes while you're rolling down the road. Enhanced visibility. Changing lanes? No problem. The wide-angle camera on the rear and the 2 side cameras give you great visibility into lanes on both your left and right. You might be surprised to know that there is crystal clear audio quality from the rear camera. So if you've got some type of creature, whether it be human or wild, out behind your camper, you're going to hear what they're up to. Day or night, it shines bright. Clear picture quality even when the stars are out. The system comes with mounts that mean business. The suction cup and stand mounts, top quality. You won't have to worry about it falling down while you're driving down the road. Now let's talk about some of the security features that matter. This camera system can be installed with inside the tab monitoring. nuCamp can wire it to your tab and voila! You now can keep an eye on things even when you're cozy inside. This setup allows you to function in a stealth mode so that you can monitoring what's going on outside of your camper without lifting a shade. Nobody wants to alert a person or an animal that you're aware they're out there. You might not want your monitor on all the time, no problem. This monitor can time out automatically, and with the motion detection feature activated, you're able to have it automatically come on when there's motion outside of your camera. And you can adjust the level of motion you want to detect. A few caveats that you'll want to be aware of. Release the Kraken. The RAM mounts are very secure, but that means you'll need to give it a firm hand when you remove the monitor from either the suction cup mount or the stand mount that comes with the camera system. Snow alert, I'm not talking about milk and bread. What I'm talking about is removing your antenna before it snows, or maybe when you're just leaving it parked for a long period of time. I found after my first installation that the snow, we got about 6 inches of snow, all slid down the back roof of that tab. It's nicely sloped, and took the antenna out with the wiring. So I did have to replace the camera. I now remove the antenna when I park it at home. Power up. No 12-volt socket in your tow vehicle? You'll need to MacGyver up a power solution. USB-C? Still on my scavenger hunt. But because I don't have a free 12-volt socket, I'm using a small solar generator, or you could find a battery pack that has a cigarette-style adapter and use that in lieu of a built-in 12-volt accessory socket. You could also have a 12-volt accessory socket installed in your tow vehicle. So what do you think? Is this something you'd like nuCamp to install in your camper? Let me know in the comments, and then shoot an email off to nuCamp. They'll give you a quote for the installation costs and schedule you with an appointment. And there you have it, fellow campers, the Furrion Vision S 3-camera system, a blend of safety, adventure, and a dash of mystery. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and until next time, happy trails.